started going on a quest, looking out for successful moms, because you hear a lot of success stories about men, successful men, but what about moms? Hey moms, there was this time in my life when I thought that I was really average. I used to look at other moms and I felt that they were doing much better than me, the way they raised their children, the way they handled their house and their relationships. And I felt that it's time for me to change myself, make a difference in my life, not just for me, not just me making a difference in my life, and at the same time I want to make a difference in my children's life. And I started going on a quest, looking out for successful moms, because you hear a lot of success stories about men, successful men, but what about moms? Women, yes, but mothers who are handling children, who are handling homes, handling stress, literally handling everything in life, multitasking, and yet, despite all the challenges in their lives, how did they become successful? I was fascinated by studying their stories, learning about them, and I decided to look out for mentors for myself. And I had my mentor Dani Johnson, who was a mother of 5, Teresa Bell, a mother of 1, and Pooja Puneet from India, a mother of 2. And what I noticed was, despite having children and being a grandmother of 8, Dani Johnson, a grandmother of 8, they were able to follow some habits that the successful people had, and they decided and they kept up their routines so that one day they could be successful. And that is what I decided, that I'm going to take each and every habit that they have been following and inculcate them and use them in my life and work on myself. I would like to share the 5 successful habits of successful moms that you can start using in your life and working on your life. You don't have to take everything together. You can start doing one at a time, work on yourself, and then move on to the other. So of course, the first successful habit of highly successful moms are they have great habits. They have great successful routines. They say that 95% of your behavior is determined by your habits. And those successful habits are, of course, reading, exercising regularly, and meditating and praying. Just start with these 3 things and it will surely change your life. For me, I started first with praying and meditating. That is what my first habit was, praying and meditating. Then I got on to reading, and then I got on to working out, exercising regularly. I took one step at a time, because there's this quote, that's this famous quote that says that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. And that's my favorite quote, and I always put that quote to use in every area of my life. Doesn't matter how higher I'm going or where I'm starting, I follow that. And that's my foundation for my personal development. Number 2 is, successful moms are highly driven. How highly driven are you? Do you completely quit when you are stressed, when you have doubt, and when you are drowning in fear? How much of a drive do you have to put your ideas into action and turn that into results? If you feel that there's no drive, then you have to start working again on your habits, because successful women, successful moms, I'm talking about moms here. So successful moms, they wake up maybe even half an hour, 30 minutes early before their family wakes up, so that they can run after their dreams and goals. How about you? Are you driven to go after your dreams and goals? Are you driven to fight for your dreams? I'm cheering you on. Are you planning to bury your potential and live the rest of your life not having any goals and dreams? I want you to start having a drive for your life. Do something because your children are watching you. Become a role model to your children. Start building a legacy. Leave something behind so that your children can talk about you, that they can have something that they learned from their mother. Success habits, routines, leadership qualities, team building, communication skills. Yes, we're going to talk about communication skills because that's the third point. Successful moms have communication skills. I'm still working on my communication skill. And that's something that every mother has to work, because we are not just talking to our children, because even communicating with our children needs a lot of skill. How we speak to them, are we negative, are we positive, are we blessing them, are we understanding them, are we listening? Even listening is a skill that's, I'm still learning that. So it's important that everyone, every mother learns to have good communication skills. Learn from mentors, learn from books, learn from videos wherever you can. Learn and build your communication skill. Number 4 is successful moms have a growth mindset. They are always learning something. They are either listening to their mentors, they are in the quest of finding out what's new, how can they build their lives, how can they teach their children to be different. They are taking up new courses, they are listening to videos, they are watching new things and learning new things so that they can work on their lives every day and transform not just their lives, because they know very well, successful moms know very well that when they transform their lives, their children's lives automatically gets transformed. Their children grow along with you. So think about that. What would you like to do? How would you want to grow? How would your mindset have to be? What are you going to choose? Are you going to look out for a mentor? Because I know very well that's very important that every mother finds a mentor for herself if she doesn't know where to start and how to find a formula or a strategy to go after her goals and dreams and how to make a difference in her children's life. And number 5 is successful moms are ready to accept failures anytime, because moms know what they go through. They have failures in their normal life, and you do know that you are still ready to get up and move in life. But what about in your personal development? What about when you're going after your dreams and goals? Does fear, doubt and rejection suddenly come over and tell you that you cannot do anything in life, and that's stopping you from going after your dreams? Just like you bounce back on your normal failures in your life. Sometimes you spill milk. That's a small thing that happens. You know how to clear up and how to rise up from those things. That's the same thing. It doesn't matter whether it's a small challenge, small failure or a big failure. You can bounce back, because failure doesn't mean defeat. Failure means it's a learning experience to grow better. It's a place where you can build your knowledge, because you have a great potential, mom. Don't just allow that to be buried within you. Let this sink in, that there's so much that you can do. There's so much that you can make a difference in your children's life and move on, so that from there you can help other mothers. You can start making a difference in other moms' life. And that is what I want you to know, that I'm here to help you through your journey. So welcome aboard and join me on this journey to create your own destiny. Thank you. Hey moms, let me know what's your takeaway from today's successful mom habits. What did you learn, and comment below. And if you like more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, you know that. Share and like my video. Thank you very much.